Another awesome site. So, Experience Center here in Long Island, the Experience, having issues. Customer was like, hey, things aren't working right. And we came to check it out. I actually showed up, came to see it. We had helped them in the past, kind of got it hodling through. And here is the difference. We had another individual, IT company, kind of playing gatekeeper with us, sabotage. And this is where knowing yourself, being okay, and being okay with losing a customer, where had to be honest with the customer. We are not going to be successful having a gatekeeper, not with projects like this, not with this much gear. We need to be it. Came here, saw the customer. They agreed instantly. They said, no, Mike, you need to get done. Whatever that means, you do that. And we did. I showed up, showed out. They couldn't believe it, how quick we were able to get the system up. They got music. They got an event tonight. And it's going to work for the event as they anticipated. Got everything. We do the takeover. Now they are ready for phase 2. Customer was ecstatic. They made me lunch. Gotta love these locations. That's what it is. Know yourself, know your space. Be ready to walk when the job isn't right, and talk up. How many times I tell people, just talk up, say the challenges. And you know what? If you know it's not gonna go good, tell the customer right up front and be honest and be ready to walk out if you're not gonna win. Customer knew the deal. They wanted to win. They wanted it right. They were okay. Another happy customer. You're having issues with your dealer? Having issues out there? Things aren't right? Not feeling like you're taken care of? You know who to call. You know who does the right thing. The experience is right. Check out Restrepo. Catch you in the next one.